Welcome to Super Surprise Show. Today we're going to be making ice cream, but not just any ice cream, it's going to be Mtn Dew ice cream without an ice cream maker. This is what you need: some cream, some sweetened condensed milk, some green food colouring, a bottle of Mtn Dew, and 2 bowls and a whisk to whisk the cream up with. Let's get started. So in goes the cream. Used 2 bottles of cream. And now we whisk the cream up to whipped cream. Whisk, manual method to beat the cream, or you can use electric. Once the cream is all whipped up, you can taste it, test it, and then add the next ingredient. Now add sweetened condensed milk. And stir into the whipped cream. For added thickness, you can add 2 cups full of sweetened condensed cream and continue to stir it all together. Now add 2 cupsfuls of Mtn Dew . And stir. Now we add the colour green of the food colouring to give the ice cream Mtn Dew green look. After we've mixed in all the colour so it looks like green Mtn Dew ice cream, we now cover it with Glad wrap . And we now pop it in the freezer for around 4 to 6 hours to set. Right, so now 6 hours has passed, and let's take the plastic wrap off the ice cream. Let's see what it tastes like. There you have it. DIY Mtn Dew ice cream. Ready in 4 to 6 hours.